Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to highlight in Google Docs. So let's say you're studying your notes and you want to make highlights, something important. So let's do it on this 2000 to 1000 meters, right? There is this tool right here, looks like a pencil. You go ahead and click on this. This is the highlight color, okay? But first you need to highlight your text, whatever you want to go ahead and highlight. So this is my text highlighted. And then I click on this icon. And then I just choose a color like this. So it's yellow. I'll do yellow right there. And if you want to ever get rid of this, you just come back here, highlight it, come back on the highlight tool, go ahead and click on none. Okay, you can get rid of that. Or what you can also do is come here and choose your own custom color. So you can click on add custom color and play around right here and create your own color. So let's say this one, click on OK. And there we go. Anytime I come here, you'll see my custom color is available for me. And it's really that easy and simple.